Now come to the origin of the civilization. Previously we studied the source. Now we study the origin of the civilization. About the origin of the civilization, there are plenty theories are there. These theories categorized into two groups. One is foreign origin, second is indigenous origin. Foreign origin means there is a theory about that. Scholars believed, and their theory is that due to the urbanization, the Harappan people might have migrated to the Indus Basin. Due to the urbanization, Harappan people might have been migrated into the Indus Basin. Or they are telling that Mesopotamian with the Mesopotamians, Harappan people had the trade relation. Maybe this Mesopotamian civilization with their trade had the transformation of the Harappan civilization. Maybe played an important role in the transformation of the Harappan civilization. So most of the trade Harappa and Mesopotamia found together in the trade and commerce. Indigenous origin means the scholars, researchers, and finally they concluded that the root of the Harappan civilization in India, the root of the Harappan civilization deep in the India, the Harappan culture, which Harappan civilization, where it is grown in the village area due to the part of the urbanization, maybe they migrated to the urban area. Mesopotamians, and later they had the contact with the Mesopotamians with the trade, so they maybe changed their culture and changes of the lifestyle. So historians found most of the site where Harappan civilization excavated, there is a similarity between Harappan and Mohenjo-daro civilization. Little bit similarities there is in a Harappan and Mohenjo-daro civilization. Anyhow, historians conclude that Harappan civilization evolved from the agricultural community. Anyhow, the historians concluded that Harappan civilization evolved from the agricultural communities. Now come to the extent of the civilization. Entire area Harappan civilization is in a triangular in shape. Entire area of the Harappan civilization in a triangular in shape. It extended from sea coast of the south Balochistan, in the west to the Alamgirpur, in the western UP, and in the part of the Jammu, and in the north area Narmada in the south. Harappan culture covered a part of Punjab, there is Haryana, Sindh, Balochistan, Gujarat, Rajasthan, and the western Uttar Pradesh. The main center of the civilization of the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro and Chahandaro, three civilizations, Harappa, Mohenjo-daro and Chahandaro, are found in Pakistan. But some of the center of the civilization in India are Mandra, Banavali, Kalibangan, Alamgirpur, Lothal, Ropar and Rangpur. In this, the most of the civilization found in Gujarat and Punjab. The very largest site of the Harappan civilization found in Mohenjo-daro, Mohenjo-daro and Harappa found in Kalibangan and Lothal. Now